Good morning, students. Welcome again to the practical side. Today I am going to start practical number 2. Practical number 2. I am showing you how you have to write. We are going to start our manual work, journal work. First of all, you have to write. So I am going to start practical number 2. KMnO4 versus ferrous ammonium sulfate. How we will start? Write. Experiment number 2, practical number 2, A. You have to write to determine concentration in normality, grams per liter and molarity of a given X normal ferrous ammonium sulfate. You have to write the formula FeSO4 dot NS4 twice 6SO4 then 6H2O. Ferrous ammonium sulfate with the help of dashed normal KMnO4 solution. So I will give you normality afterwards when you will attend the practical. Till now we are having this time. I am giving you written work, so you complete the manual and keep the place. Again, like the experiment number 1, solution burette dash normal KMnO4 which is given in beaker B. In flask we are taking 10 ml X normal FeSO4 NS4 twice SO4 6H2O solution which is given in beaker A. 10 ml X normal, okay, unknown normality, plus 2.5 test tube or 25 ml of dilute H2SO4. Third indicator, earlier I taught you KMnO4 works as self indicator, so no need of extra indicator from outside. What will be the color change? Color change at the end point. The color starting is colorless, then it will go to the pink and at the end point permanent pink. So colorless to light pink. Okay. Now our third equation for ionic redox reaction. Same as first, you have to write from ferrous ammonium sulfate, only you have to take the positive ion. No need of adding negative ion. Fe plus 2, 10 molecules. From the KMnO4, cut the K and write only MnO4 minus 1. Plus, we are using acid. From H2SO4, you have to take only acid ion. If base is there, then you have to take OH ions. Then Fe plus 2 is going to convert into Fe plus 3, losing the ion, 1 electron, balanced 10-10. So Fe plus 2 to plus Fe plus 3. No need of writing electrons. MnO4 minus 1 is going to decrease the minus 1 to plus 2. Mn2, Mn plus 2. This oxygen and hydrogen going to combine and gives water molecule H2O. 16H, so we can write 8. 8 to the 16. Here 2. 2 4 the 8. So 8 oxygen. So this reaction has been balanced. So experiment number 1 and 2 having the same ionic reactions. Now this is on first page. Okay. In this page you have to write in this experiment for the complete oxidation of 10 ml X normal FeSO4 NS4 twice SO4 6H2O V2 is equal to dash ml solution of dash normal KMnO4 is required. In pipette you have to write this 2 sentences. Okay. Why? How? Because normality of ferrous ammonium sulfate is unknown. We are taking fixed ml 10 ml in pipette, but we are not knowing the burette reading, that is volume in burette, that is KMnO4's reading. When you are taking the reading, when you will enter in lab, you will take the reading and that reading will come after pilot 3 readings and then mean you have to write, and at that time I will give you how much normality of KMnO4 has been given. Okay, follow? So these three things you have to write on the ruled paper on this first side. Now come on to the blank side, this side. Come on to the blank side, this side. Second number, you have to measure, draw observation table. Like first experiment, draw the good table with the help of pencil and scale. Burette reading, that is final reading, that is initial reading and then difference. Then Paulette reading, every time initial 0. No reading now you have to write, because at that time when you will come in the lab, you have to take the reading and at that time you have to write with the help of pencil. Then you write first, second and third. Every time your initial is 0, then means column. When you will enter in the lab and perform the experiment, at that time with the help of pencil, we will do this experiment. Okay? So have you followed, students? Now in the next video, I am going to show you how you have to calculate this. Okay?